And so I'm back. Yesterday I just uploaded these two videos of my kids playing. My son and my niece, because I realized recording like every day without a break can get quite overwhelming. So sometimes you need that break. So I've realized I think I should make two extra videos on one certain day and then upload that on a Monday, because Monday I should take 1 day break. Y'all also deserve a need a break from me. Yeah, anyway, so yesterday I saw this movie called Loot Case, and Kunal Khemu, Rasika Duggal, and the whole star cast is so cute. Yeah, but see, this is one film I noticed that the background score really tries to bring in that comic element, otherwise, no, the film is about these literally two rival gangs after a certain suitcase full of money that finally falls into the hands of Kunal Khemu. So it is quite. It's a very cute film. Cute as in they've tried to recreate these life in the 80s, or it's, I don't know, it's a little different from the kind of genre that we are used to of Karan Johar and these very highly stylized and sleek films. So really, people, you all should watch it. It's called Loot Case, and it's on the Disney Hotstar app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.